Welcome back to Canon Coffee. Here we have Elizabeth's Gaggia Platinum. It was not producing a good cup of coffee, so she sent it in to us and we gave it a full tune-up, which involves quite a bit of cleaning and seal replacements and etc. And it looks like we've gotten it up to speed. We're going to make a strong cup of espresso. That doesn't relate to this video, don't worry. Look at that. Small, dark, and beautiful. Elizabeth, thanks for bringing it in. If you like this video, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll put out videos like this on a very, very frequent basis. Thanks for watching.